His Holiness, first of all, I want to thank you to give me the opportunity to talk to you. I feel very honored. And I would like to ask you, through Buddhist teachings, I've learned what happiness is, and I try to practice it every day. And but sometimes there are like real pain of life, like loss of families and children, or any real pain and not negative emotion that comes up on my mind. How I could help my mind? Is it through meditation, maybe, or how do you, as my example, replace your negative thoughts in a positive thought? What really helps you? And then another question, if there is a time, because as I had a lot of luck in my life, I really would like to help others, but I feel like a drop in the ocean. And what can a single person do really to give happiness to others?
Very good.
Thank you.
Second part, you see, I also feel, when we saw immense sort of suffering, a problem, then I'm just one single person, I cannot do. But then think, the change or some effect to humanity first start from individual. One individual is making some sort of thinking or effort, at least share with your friend, about 10 your friends. Then each of them, another sort of, 100 people. First 1 to 10, 10 to 100, 100 to eventually 10,000 and 100,000. Go like that. That's the way. Then your own sort of meditation or tackle this destructive emotion. As far as I know, the Shantadeva's book. Did you heard the Shantadeva's book? Kasagoti. Bodhisattva Charya Avatara. One great Buddhist scholar of Nalanda. People say about 8th century. So that book, for me, really immense help to transform my emotion, self-centered attitude. And then the way to reduce self-centered attitude is promote or strengthening altruism. So that book, 10 chapters, 6th chapter and 8th chapter, very, very helpful. The 9th chapter, philosophical views, a lot of complicated things there. Unless you study more other book, difficult to know. So leave it. Then the 6th chapter, 8th chapter, you should read and think. Okay. Some sort of expression, quite similar, that of Assisi, French, Saint Francis of Assisi. There are some similarities. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you.